over here, we got us a book on eating sport fish. We like sport fish. We like bottom fish too. And one of the reasons we like them so much is because, after all, it is free food. How are you supposed to turn that down? Over here we got Mosley. Now Mosley, he be catching that catfish. He's happy today. And down here we got Johnny and his mommy. See, Johnny said, "Mommy, could I have me more than 6 crabs tonight at supper?" And she said, "Okay, Johnny, but Johnny, you ain't gonna get none next month." And down here we got Gilroy. Gilroy, he cooking for the white folk. The white folk, they like Gilroy's crab cakes. Oh, they like them. They just eat them right down. Okay, we better get down to reading now.
I am Armenian, but I was raised in Iran. And I moved to the United States for reasons that are unimportant. I was at a bar having a cocktail with a friend. And when my friend and I left, he was behind me. We were driving and I was pulled over by police. And the policeman said to me, "Were you just in that bar?" And I said, "Yes, I was in the bar." And he said, "Are you drunk?" And I said, "No, I'm not drunk." But he arrested me anyway. And so I tell him, he asked about my accent, and I said I am from Iran. And he asked me more questions in the police station, and questions, and now, at the end, he said to me, "So you're from Iraq, right?" And I said, "No, I'm from Iran." And he said, "Iran, Iraq, what's the difference?"
Armand, I love the backstay adjuster. They showed me how to use it.
Show me.
Oh, okay. Look, take it like this. See the handle? It's this handle is it. This handle.
It's long.
Now watch. It's gonna get tight, Armand.
Show me.
Tight.
Show me. Ooh, oh. Ooh.
Armand,
it's tight.
Armand, it's not moving. I forgot to close.
Okay.
Now,
you're still working.
I'm just not gonna.
You are.
It's technical things.
It's the little things. I hate them. Go.
Here I go. It's getting tighter.
Oh,
geez. It's getting tighter.
Oh my God. Oh, no.
I love
Christ.
it. Right there, Armand.
Oh, Jesus, that's it.
Okay. Now, Armand, I'm going to loosen it. Listen to this. Let's do this.
Oh, that sounds like when Buffy farts at home. In her litter box.
Oh, the poor Buffy. I miss Buffy. Did you bring Buffy along?
I did, but she pissed me off, so I threw her in the drink.
I hate when you do that. Now we have to go get another one.
Well, screw it. I can. There are more puffy
I'm
ones.
Embarrassed.
Big
You
and
always
pillow.
make me do it. You always make me go get the new dog.
Well, so what? Buy him.
They don't want my money. You want my money.
Buy one with no hair, so it's all furry and we can see the wrinkles in the skin.
No.
Do it.
We can shave it.
Ooh.
Yes.
You get. I want the front. I want the rear end of the dog to shave. You can have the front half. I don't care.
Well, I kind of like the furry little head. When he comes in and he sleeps next to us.
And when his little ears are velvety. Oh.
I want one. Why did you throw him overboard, Armand?
Because I told you he pissed on my bed. I don't go for that crap.
If he pissed on your bed, then he pissed on mine too, and it didn't bother me, Armand.
No.
Armand, I don't like when this happens. It was a nice day. Armand, look what's coming. It looks like a storm.
Oh, Jesus.
Armand, should we start the motor?
Looks like my mother's ass.
Should we get out of here?
We want to get
Out of here. No,
start the motor.
Okay.
No.
You make me so nervous when you do
it's
this.
just... Look at that.
I know. Do we really... I don't know. You know I don't like this
I'm
kind of
freaking
pressure.
out.
Oh,
I'm freaking out.
Pump the backstage.
Pump
It's
it.
the best
Go,
thing
go,
that
go. It'll make it better.
I'm going.
Go. Pump it. Make it fart soon.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Make it farts. Oh, God.
Forget the storm. This is
Screw
this
the
is the end of the
storm.
world.
I could do that pump thing all day.
I love it. Oh, should we go visit? Should we go visit Erica?
Erica? Why not? She's pretty.
She is pretty. She's straight.
She's cute.
She's nice to me.
Hey, man. Oh, the one thing that confused me about this.
What? Say it, man.
When they be telling us it's going to take 2 of us to steal this boat.
Amen, brother.
Yeah, well, they be telling me that, but I don't know. I don't believe them. I think I could probably do it myself.
All right, man. You won't give him a shot.
Okay,
Yep.
I got it.
Steal him up. Damn, man. You're all over the
Give
place,
me a hand, man. Give me a hand, man.
Oh, I got you.
Come on, man.
Got you covered, man.
Tough. This is tough.
This is tough like the streets of Harlem, man.
This is a rough day, man. This is tougher than the streets of Harlem. This is like an east side, man. This is east side. This is better. I like this. No, I like this. This is down.
This is chill.
This is down.
This is bad.
It is everything.
It's nasty.
I like it. I like it.
Beat me up, man.
Okay, man. I'm gonna go be getting us some watermelon soon. Yo, bring some watermelon up here, please.
And fried chicken, baby.
Okay, some fried chicken for my boy. I mean, my
And
friend.
40.
Excuse me. A what?
A 40.
40 my ass. Bring my 45 up here.
Shit.
What?
45?
But you want your 38 too? I'm gonna have that girl's ass over there.
I want my 9, man.
I just seen him. He almost shat on me, man.
Shit.
This be bad out on the water, man.
It's nasty, man.
See, I want me back my cigarette boat, man.
What?
This is slow.
I have a cigarette, man. You got a cigarette?
No, I don't have no. I'm talking about my boat.
Oh. All right. That's cool. Hey, man,
I'll be looking at a new boat too over here.
right.
I'll be getting me one of those.
you be getting one of those.
Yeah. Just be an icebreaker.
Icebreaker?
Yeah, better
like
than
a
a ball.
joke at a party, right?
Well, like a what?
Joke at a party, man. Icebreaker.
Now, icebreaker better than a ball breaker.
There you go.
No, she be that be deep, that baby.
She be.
Oh, she be breaking some ice.
She be breaking ice.
She breaking ass.
Like
she
a
breaking
mug.
ice. Oh, like
She
a mug.
breaking all over the place. Hey, man, what's that?
Lorenzo,
Right there.
Lorenzo, I tell you, when we come here to this country, I tell you, that is a boat.
Well, Jose, no. With the boat we took, the raft we made.
The raft we made.
He came across on the Gulf of Mexico.
Okay,
He came across,
Okay.
I mowed the lawn, I make the money, I come here.
I understand now.
I don't look like the boat, man.
Lorenzo, when we meet the man that owned the boat,
Uh-huh.
and he pick us up on the raft,
Ah.
and we kill him. Oh, remember?
I
And we
remember.
get the boat.
I
now,
remember.
right? So we go into a harbor now. He may look for green card. Don't know.
I ain't got no green card, man.
Well, maybe we should go on this boat here.
Maybe he got green card.
No, maybe he got 2 green cards.
For you don't have no green card?
I got nothing.
You mow lawns?
I mow the lawn. I wash the dish in the restaurant.
Yeah.
I do the garden. I
garden?
I know cook.
You could cook?
I'm good.
Ah, you good?
Oh, very good. Yes, I could cook on this boat.
You cook for us?
I cook beans. I cook lentil. I cook rice. And
beans?
matter of fact, I have friend cannibal. Oh, the best. My friend the cannibal. He make the best.
Bone marrow fajita?
The bone marrow fajita.
I love bone marrow fajita.
Oh, we are going to.
You
have
make
a nice
bone marrow fajita?
Hey, bone marrow appetit. Oh.
My name Ping Pong. Welcome to Golden China. Welcome to China. You want job? Wait, dishwasher. You want job dishwasher? No more way.
In my country, I big shot.
No.
This was no good for me.
Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Fry the lights.
No.
No.
In my country,
Fly the
in my
lights.
country, please. I know how to bus. I know how to.
You drive
be
bus?
Nice.
You drive bus?
No, bus.
You drive bus in
No,
Mexico?
bus. In my country, I good at waiter. Me, waiter. No dishwasher, please.
No, sorry. No. Dishwasher now. Clean dish. Now, crust, form on dish, meat clean. Fried rice, very crusty, meat clean. Immediately.
My country, in my country, no fast. Always.
You clean dish, no need no cook. Clean dish. Dish need clean.
In my country, I need job. I need work. In my country, we go wash the dish. Dirty. Dish is dirty. We bring here. We put here. We have my brother. My brother need work too.
He wash dish. He clean shit out toilet. That way, he clean shit. You wash dish.
The Cup. The World Cup. It was nothing. It was nothing. Well, those were the days. I don't travel the circuit anymore. I had my time. I had my fame. Radcliffe's what started me. Anything further?
Yes, and the cup concerning the women's team, since Radcliffe is not, quite a few of those graduates were on the racing team.
Excuse me. Radcliffe. What did you say about women?
Weren't they on the cup?
We allowed a few women on the team, yes.
Well, how did they fare?
They fared well as long as they had the proper guidance from a man.
Well, I happen to remember that in one of those races, you lost your spinnaker and you had to get rid of it, but...
I suppose you're going to blame that on me?
Well, no, but Ermengarde is the one that had the thoughtfulness after you lost your spinnaker that she used her bra as a replacement, and you won that race.
All I can tell you about Ermengarde is that she was one of the more resourceful of our participants. Ermengarde knew how to come up with the right idea at the right time, and those were the days.
Well, she had ballast.
She did have ballast. She had a tremendous amount of ballast. She had, as a matter of fact, after she relinquished her bra, then you saw ballast. Ermengarde. I'll never forget it. Those were the days.
You let down your guard.
No. I let down Irma's guard.
Ermengarde let down her guard.
Irma let down her guard. Irma contributed to the race with I had no idea that those bras.
It led to
the elasticity in there.
Breakthrough design.
Well, ultimately, yes. The women's team in the America's Cup is all. That whole boat's bras.
So that was a double cup.
That was a triple C, as a matter of fact. So, looking through the Reader's Digest, it's one of my favorite pieces of reading material last week, and they're known for accurate reporting. We read this interesting incident. In the Second World War, there was an American Indian who was, of course, a GI, and he was running through an area that was enduring a heavy enemy bombardment. It's full of foxholes, and so he jumps inside a foxhole, this American Indian GI, and there's another GI in there, just a GI. And the GI looks at the American Indian, and he says, "Boy, am I happy to see you." He says, "What are you, paratrooper? Paratrooper?" And the Indian just looks at him, and he says, "What are you, infantry? Infantry?" And the Indian has a concerned look on his face now, and he says, I got it, you're a GI, you're artillery. Artillery?" The Indian looks at him, and the GI asks him, "Oh, I got it now. You're a spy, right? You're a spy?" So the Indian jumps out of the foxhole, and starts running. Jumps into the next foxhole, and lo and behold, there's another American Indian GI in there. And he tells him, "Boy, no matter what happens, you don't want to go over to that foxhole.
The other Indian says, why? And he says, because I jumped in there, and the guy said to me, when the sun goes down and the people go home, I'm gonna stick it to you until your eyes pop out.